Okay, in this chemical experiment, we're going to prepare iron and iron sulfate solution. So what we have is 5 iron sulfate tablets that have been exposed to water already a little bit. Measuring cup, spoon for stirring. Oh, we do have a spoon. 1 folded circular coffee filter. Filter, a funnel, small jar for storing solution, and label marked. Okay, we don't have a label. So put the tablets in the measuring cup, or let's just put it in the bowl. Put the tablets in the bowl and cover them with some water. Okay. 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 Now, cover with about 1/2 cup of water. Stir. Notice that the dark outer coating of the tablet comes off and stains the water. Is it coming off? It's staining the water. Okay, so once that's done. Alright, finally the coating has dissolved off there, so we're transporting them over to this piece of paper here. That took, what, about 5 minutes? Okay, so notice that the dark outer coating of the tablets comes off and stains the water. Yes, yes it did. Okay. Now, we soak the tablets until the coating is completely dissolved. It's pretty close, yeah. So rinse off the tablets under the faucet.
Here?
They should be white. Rinse out the cup, fill with 1. Okay, so take these tablets and rinse them off in the water there. Kind of rub them around and stuff. I'm supposed to rinse them under a faucet, but that's okay. Just kind of wash them in there. Is that warm water?
Coldish.
Okay, just kind of rinse them off there.
I feel like I'm rubbing off the white stuff a little bit.
Yeah, that's okay. Just want to make sure you get all that green stuff off. Okay, it says they should be white. Rinse out the cup, fill it with about 3/4 cup warm water, and put the tablets in the cup. Oh boy.
A little bit of warm water.
Wait, but we need to filter something for the filter water into. So we're going to have to put that on the napkin. And then we're going to have to go get some more water for this. Warm water here, and we'll dump this one out. And then we'll put those back into the warm water in here, the pills, dissolve them, and then pour them into this little jar here. Okay? So we'll be back. Okay, so the tablets are rinsed off. They should be white. They're yellowish white. Okay. Rinse out the cup, fill it with 3/4 cup warm water. Yes. And put the tablets in the cup. Okay, so you want to pour out some water until there's 3/4 cup water. Or enough that's going to fit in this little jar here. Okay, we're back with some water that's going to fit in there. So now what we do, put the tablets in the cup. 1, 2, yeah, 3, slower, 4, 5. Okay. Stir until the tablets break up.
You're out of stirring.
This could be a while. 6 hours later. 6 days later. 6 months later. 6 years later. 6 centuries later. Okay, so that was about another 5 minutes. So now we want to collect the iron sulfate solution and separate it from the white powder. The white powder that does not dissolve is a neutral material used by pharmaceutical firms in the manufacturing of the tablets. So what we're going to do is take the funnel and put it in the little jar. That's not the jar. Put it in the little jar. There we go. Put the filter in the funnel. Okay. And then, guess what we're going to do?
Cut a hole.
No. Nice try.
Pour the water in?
Yeah. Pour the water into the funnel. Make sure you get it through the paper there. Pour it in there. Don't be afraid. It's not gonna hurt you. Okay. There's our solution. So, the iron sulfate that is in the solution passes through the filter paper for the simple reason that the smallest units of iron sulfate and the smallest units of water are much smaller than the holes in the filter paper. The particles of white material are too large to pass through the tiny holes in the filter. Chemists use filters with different size holes. The size of a hole can be used to tell the size of the particles. Okay, so the original mixture, the tablets dissolved in warm water that you filtered, is called a suspension. That was a suspension there. Because some of the material, the neutral component, was suspended in the water. When you shake a suspension, it all settles out. Okay, true suspensions eventually settle if you allow them to and stand long enough. Alright, so the residue remains on the bottom. Filtering is a fast way of separating a filtrate from its residue. Save your iron sulfate solution for the iron test experiment in Chapter 3. Okay, so you can pull this out of here and put the lid on there nice and tight, and that should be iron sulfate in there. And you can see the residue left in there on the filter. Thanks for watching this video of how we filter iron sulfate from pills. What kind of pills were those anyways? Those were iron... Ooh, 5 iron sulfate tablets. Those were included in the experiment, and we'll see you guys next time.